Introducing the stunning 2023 Audi A4 Limousine 30 TDI S-Line in sleek grey. This luxurious four-door saloon boasts a powerful 136 horsepower 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with comfort and convenience features like Bluetooth, cruise control, power steering, and more. This Audi is designed to make every drive enjoyable. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, keeping you protected on the road. The Audi A4 also comes with stylish details like LED lights, chrome package, and luxury trim for a sophisticated look. Plus, the vehicle has been meticulously inspected, serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on how you can drive home in your dream car today.